We follow a dream, follow a step in it, and running on a storm. The wind is pushing paper, forcing in. I mean, we lose and we win. Sometimes we're letting it. We got it on our jeans. It be a sin if we ain't following. Live life like ThobileMgidie. Don't live in one, live every day. Life sucks without a need. Don't be a piece, just do your thing. You take care of your dreams. You plan for your dreams. You take care of your dreams. You plan for your dreams. You take care of your dreams. You plan for your dreams. Take care of your dreams. You plan for your dreams.
I'm giving it my all and it's all me, I'm focused. Nelling the best show, good and prices for a bando. Cause my dream isn't depending on nobody. Agoko izuku tepsuku ngilale ispane. Jalo spandi male, buka le shande. Yazi yanklangisa. Dream don't change themselves, if you snooze you lose it, man. Man I want it better, but ThobileMgidie. Dream don't change themselves, if you snooze you lose it, man. Man I want it better, but ThobileMgidie. My dream isn't depending on nobody. My dream isn't depending on nobody. It's funny, Jalo spandi male, buka le shande. Yazi yanklangisa.
You can blame it on me. Bella people are blessed and bony. Now seven and Tony. Cause no matter to some ones are holy. I don't mean to say like this person is in the wasn't a good man. I pray not solely. I've been praying to God every day. But I got a bony.
I'm living my dream. I'm living my dream.
We follow a dream, follow a step in it, and running on a storm. The wind is pushing paper, forcing in. I mean, we lose and win. Sometimes we're learning it. We got it on our jeans. If we ain't seen, if we ain't following. It's been a bit while since I've been talking all the shit. Life's deep in the dark, but if we're careful, we can see. I know that hey, cause if you clean, I isolate what's good for me. They're asking me why, and I say it's worth to be free. Lapun peeling, be the gas and peel it off because the stars like being sabotaged. And don't I call it now, yes, I see them stars and say my wish. I feel alive when I preach. No belly lava pants and she's in bed before they leave. Yeah.